I'm very thankful for this seminar organized by the Kementerian and also by the speaker Jackson. It does really improve a lot on myself. How the improvement is that because it gives me back my self-confidence, how to continue my life and how to continue my business again. And in terms of with my members, what I can see is that there is about changes of 80% in my members of how they can look into the business and into the changes is that is also in their the belief in themselves. They can do it and they can mix with people. So I'm very thankful for this seminar, which I hope the Kementerian will organize some more again. Because as for our single mothers, they have been into such a very problematic time and also very stressful. This is really a stepping stone for them to improve themselves and also to improve their life and for their children in future. And myself, what I can see in this is that the encouragement is that it helps you to believe, even though you have nothing now, in short, in what they call it, in no capital, but we can do it in, we can put it into business by whatever we have to start the business. The belief in ourselves plays a big role, how to start the business. Because I really appreciate this seminar, because I can see the difference not only in myself, and I even relate the difference, the feeling of improvement even to my daughter. Both of us changed, even though my daughter didn't attend the seminar, but she herself changed when she saw that I changed. So it is really very encouraging, and I really hope Kementerian can organize some more of this seminar again by Mr. Jackson, where it can change a lot of lives, not only to the Ibu Tunggal, maybe to the others who've been facing hard life. And I've been to a lot of seminar, and this is the first time I come across a speaker that is very lively and very encouraging, and we don't feel sleepy the whole day, because a lot of people avoid seminars because they couldn't stand it. They get very tired, they get very sleepy in seminar, but not seminar organized by Mr. Jackson. Thank you very much.